Let's talk about some major changes announced in the Union Budget 2025 that could impact your winnings and remittances. First up, let's talk about tax deducted at source or TDS and how it applies to winnings from lotteries and horse racing. In the past, TDS was only deducted if your total winnings crossed Rs 10,000 in a financial year. But now there is a shift. From 2025 onwards, TDS will be deducted on every individual win that exceeds Rs 10,000. This change falls under Section 194B of the Income Tax Act, and this move aligns with the government's effort to boost transparency and ensure better compliance in tax collection. The government has also raised the TDS and TCS thresholds for other income categories including mutual funds, dividends, and commissions. This means that a larger portion of your earnings from these sources will now be exempt from TDS, giving you a bit more breathing room. So what does this mean for you? If you win smaller amounts multiple times during a year, you could see more frequent tax deductions. But the upside here for the Indian economy is that tax will be collected upfront, which will avoid tax evasion. Budget 2025 has also raised the threshold for TCS on remittances under the liberalized remittance scheme. The limit is increased from Rs 7 lakh to Rs 10 lakh. This is great news for those making foreign remittances as it helps ease the tax burden. The government has removed TCS on education remittances made through loans from specified financial institutions. So if you're sending money abroad for education and using a loan from one of these institutions, you do not have to pay TCS. However, if you're paying without a loan, a 5% TCS will still apply on amounts over Rs 7 lakh. For medical expenses, the 5% TCS rule remains unchanged. If you are sending money for investment, gifts or other remittances abroad, a 20% TCS will still apply for amounts above Rs 7 lakh. To sum up, the increase in the LRS threshold to Rs 10 lakh is a welcome change that reduces the tax burden on those making foreign remittances. And removing TCS on education-related remittances funded by loans offer much-needed relief to students and their families. Let us know in the comments below what you think about these updates. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.